Make sure ear protection and safety glasses are being worn. Check the material for straightness and foreign objects. Cut the drawn line. Make sure the workpiece is properly clamped. Set the speed to 4, the orbital speed to 2, and the bevel adjustment speed to 0. Make sure the proper blade is installed and secure. Check the work area for obstructions. Plug in the saw. Make sure the relief cuts are drawn if needed. Place the saw on the material with the blade away from the edge. Pull the trigger and begin cutting, and make sure to use 2 hands for the cutting. Adjust the pressure and speed of the cut as needed. Make sure the blade is stopped before removing it from the cut. Make sure the tool is unplugged, the blade is removed, and store it properly.